How to create new profiles in Google Chrome. So creating different profiles in Google Chrome can be really useful to go and separate your browsing history. So for example, you might want to separate your work account with your business account, for example. Then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just head over to a Google Chrome browser. You can then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings. From the left navigation, scroll down to About Chrome and just go and ensure your Google Chrome browser is fully up to date. If any updates are found, it should automatically be detected and updated here. Now, once you've done that, we can close out of this window. And then what you could do is click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. You can see I'm already signed in with one of my Google accounts. So if you're not currently signed in, just go and sign in with your Google account. And once you're signed in, you can go and create subsequent Google accounts. So you can press Add Chrome Profile. And to create a new profile, you can either sign in with another Google account, or you can select Continue without an account. And this will just kind of work as a guest account. So I can go and title this something like Guest. And you can apply a color theme if you want and just press Done. And just like that, we're now signed in with a different Google Chrome profile. Now, to manage your different accounts, you can click on the profile icon and you can basically switch between your different Chrome profiles in this list of options. You can also click Manage Chrome Profiles and you'll see a full list of all of your different accounts. And from this window, you can delete accounts as well by clicking these three vertical dots, and you can go and edit or remove profiles. You can also add additional profiles from this window just by clicking on the Add button over here. And finally, if you don't want to use any profiles, you can always just press Guest Mode, and you can see right here, pages you view in this window won't appear in the browsing history, and it also means things like cookies won't be stored onto the computer. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.